Might be it. Let's do that one. How do I get it to start? Okay, now it's working. And that one's working. All right, this is Bonsai Anonymous. We're trying 2 cameras right now. This is they failed. Hi, ducks. You see them down there? Hi, ducks. This is a failed one from a long time ago. So what I'm trying to do is use a head camera and my watch camera. So my head, this one's on my head, it's filming, and then my watch is over. Okay. Turn this out a little bit. I don't have anything for you guys. I don't have anything. My 2 ducks are here, just so concerned. Yeah, over here I think we have some blue. Yeah, might try to use you. Put you over here like this. Okay. And I need to get out. Don't die. I don't have anything for you, number 2. You can come by if you want. Put this down here. It's not even, it's just there. Okay. And are you still filming? Oh, it didn't work. Okay, we're going to worry about that later. This one can go in here. Yeah. Filmed a little bit, then it stopped. I don't know what I did. Touched something. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is get this out. So I can get some of this out of here. This is all bonsai soil, and as I'm looking at it, yeah, I'm noticing a little problem. And what I had in here was some orange jasmine, little orange jasmine trees, and for a while they did okay, and then all of a sudden they didn't. What I'm noticing here, I'm all the way down to the concrete here. I don't see any organic material in here at all. It's possible I didn't put any in. I mean, there's a little, but hardly any. So that would account for a problem. All right, these are supposed to be water flowing through here. When I get to some of those, I'll take them out. I don't think we're going to do that again. So the problem that I have here is, let's just take this out. All these pieces, that's really helping. So let's do those for a moment. Do not all end up back in here. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. You're number 2. That's not, you're not number 2, you're Sweet. You're Sweet the dog. Okay. Well, we're still working. My phone's still working, it's not filming. My other head camera here stopped, so I don't know how to do that. So we're just going to dig all these out of here. Now what we're going to do with this, what I plan to do with it, is put some strangler figs in. They're working out well for me. on how do we go here? Put everything in here. I'm going to change the balance up here and put a little more organic material in. Sometimes I make a mistake on the side of too much drainage, which means the water just goes through and doesn't do anything. Got a couple in back of me here in that situation, I think. The drainage just kind of stopped them from doing it. Oh, there's a little worm. There. Doesn't have to be in here. This is going to be messed up. I try not to do anything that hurt the worms. I just simply depend on them for a lot. Like the bees. This maybe over here if it just collapses into all that. That would be a funny video. Okay, now underneath this is where we see the baby traps. I see some. So I'm going to turn this up like this. I think a bird flew off from underneath. Isn't that interesting? Something did. I guess I can see it by looking at it here. Okay, let's get your worms out. So this was initially a big pot, double pot, like that, a big thing, right? Of course, it broke into pieces. So now I have to decide what I want to do with it. But fortunately, I have time here because I got all this to clean up while I decide. There's one. Now, what's happening is that some of this is going down through the going down under the thing here because I have holes, but not too much. Let's put it in. So all of this is going to be the basis for what I'm going to do here in a minute. And we'll need to come up with something else to do with this. Nice. Okay. So that goes over there. And this piece. Okay, so this will almost sit in here. And I think with just a little whack, my hammer will see how badly we can crack this. There we go. So now it sits in there. Okay. Cover up the holes. Let's take off here. Okay. We'll just take this off too. It's coming off in an interesting way. Much more interesting than I thought. Okay, so take a look at that. It's pretty cool. Let's go over here a little bit more. Turn it up. There's another piece. Okay, so that piece I kind of wanted to keep. But, where's it go there? No idea. Like that. Put it back on there. I think it's more like that. Not that it should be. Okay, so that's how I want it. How do I get it? Now let's see, do we have anything that would work for glue? Not here. Minutes in on our video. Well, there is some glue, but I don't know that it's going to do me any good. There we go. It'll be right there. There we go. So we're going to put the rest of this in here. Not that it'll help, but it might. If there's any in there. Seems like there is, but there isn't. Okay, so down here. We do have more, plenty more. Yes. Push hose. It's going to work. This isn't really what this is for. It's more for things that are, what's the word? Okay, then this goes on here. And this just goes right in. Okay, now here. Yeah. That's how I want it, right there. Yeah. It's back on. Okay. For those. All right, so this it goes like put it over here on it cuts. I think we'll do that way. Oops. It's going. Okay, just a baby. Alright, so you're not going to go that way, but you could go this way. So let's go get this other glue. Be right back.